Assalamu alaikum everyone. Myself Humaira Baloch, clinical psychologist by profession. Today I am going to present a very important and interesting topic, history of psychology. In this presentation we will explore कि psychology कैसे evolve हुई from philosophy and religion to becoming a modern scientific discipline. Let's begin this historical journey together. Psychology didn't start as a science. In fact, ये human thought के different stages से गुजरती हुई आगे बढ़ी. हिस्ट्री ऑफ साइकोलॉजी को टू मेन पीरियड्स में डिवाइड किया गया है, प्री साइंटिफिक पीरियड एंड साइंटिफिक पीरियड. द प्री साइंटिफिक पीरियड व्हेन पीपल एक्सप्लेन्ड ह्यूमन बिहेवियर थ्रू फिलोसफी, रिलीजन एंड इमेजिनेशन, and the scientific period is when psychology become based on research, observation and experimentation. अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं प्री साइंटिफिक एरा को. The pre-scientific period is further divided into three main subdivisions. First one is Greek period, second one is Middle Ages, and the third one is Islamic period. Each of these periods played an important role in shaping early psychological thought and understanding of the human mind. डिस्कस करते हैं ग्रीक पीरियड को. ड्यूरिंग द ग्रीक पीरियड बहुत से ग्रेट फिलोसफर्स ने माइंड, सोल एंड बिहेवियर के नेचर को समझने की कोशिश की. हिपोक्रेट्स का बिलीफ था कि मेंटल इलनेस वाज बायोलॉजिकल, नॉट द रिजल्ट ऑफ इविल स्पिरिट्स. He was one of the first to say that our brain affects our behavior. Plato believed that knowledge is innate, meaning it already exists in our mind from birth. उसने ये भी कहा कि जहन और जिस्म दोनों अलग चीज़ें हैं. एरिस्टोटल, प्लाटोज स्टूडेंट, डिसएग्री विद हिम. उसका कहना था कि नॉलेज एक्सपीरियंस एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन से हासिल होता है. This idea became the foundation of empirical psychology, learning from evidence. So you see, Greek philosophers give psychology its very first philosophical roots. The second one is Middle Ages. After the Greek period, Middle Ages आए, where spirituality became the center of human thought. प्लॉटिनस ने सोल और इनर सेल्फ पर फोकस किया. उसका कहना था कि सेल्फ अवेयरनेस ही ह्यूमन नेचर को अंडरस्टैंड करने की कुंजी है. हेस्टी ऑजस्टाइन combined Christian belief with Plato's philosophy. He thought that by examining our own soul, हम human nature को बेहतर understand कर सकते हैं. So during this period, psychological thinking was deeply connected with religion and morality. The third subdivision is Islamic period. The Islamic period was a golden era for psychology and philosophy. Islamic scholars made remarkable contributions that shaped both science and psychology. हलकुंदी ने perception और cognition पर काम किया, यानी how we process and understand information. Al-Farabi explored logic, emotions and intellect. Ibn Sina described different psychological disorders and suggested treatments. He is known as one of the earliest clinical psychologists. Al-Ghazali emphasized the unity of body and soul, showing that psychology and spirituality go hand in hand. Ibn Khaldun focused on social behavior and is considered the father of social psychology. Shah Waliullah discussed moral development and human motives. Over time, people started to move from philosophical and religious explanations to scientific reasoning. ये तब्दीली साइंटिफिक साइकोलॉजी का आगाज था, जहां ऑब्जर्वेशन, एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन और लॉजिक बुनियादी टूल्स बन गए. And this change lead us to the scientific period. Now we will discuss the scientific period. The scientific period is divided into two main parts. The first one is the Renaissance period and the second one is modern psychology. The Renaissance period जहां इल्म और क्यूरियोसिटी का दोबारा आगाज हुआ. Modern psychology, where psychology finally become an independent scientific discipline. Renaissance period में scholars ने old beliefs को challenge किया and focused on observation and evidence. Francis introduced the scientific method, encouraging people to observe and experiment. Descartes gave the famous idea of mind-body dualism, I think, therefore I am. John believed that the mind is a blank slate we learn through experience. Charles Darwin explained how behavior and adaptation are linked through his theory of evolution. Helmholtz studied sensation and perception, connecting psychology with biology. Paul discovered the part of the brain responsible for speech. Weber and Fechner founded psychophysics, studying the relationship between stimuli and sensation. Now comes toward the most important era, modern psychology. इस पीरियड में डिफरेंट स्कूल ऑफ थॉट सामने आए. हर एक का अपना पर्सपेक्टिव था. फर्स्ट वन स्ट्रक्चरलिज्म. William Wood and Edward studied the structure of the mind through introspection. Second one, functionalism. William James explored the purpose and function of behavior. Third one is behaviorism. John P. Watson and B. F. Skinner focused only on observable behavior, not mental processes. Then Gestalt psychology. Max Wertheimer said the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. And then psychoanalysis. Sigmund Freud highlighted the unconscious mind and how childhood experiences shape personality. So these schools build the strong foundation of psychology as we know it today. The journey of psychology is still continuing through research, innovation, and clinical practices. So thank you for listening.